Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to data log in Google Sheet of BMP280 sensor data like temperature and pressure. Let us start. This is a schematic diagram of our circuit. This is BMP280 module and this is LCD. Both module of SCL and SDA pin is connected to D1 and D2, and here is power connected to 3.3 volt and ground is common to ground. Now we will go to IFTTT website to create a API. So this is IFTTT website. We will create template. Click on plus. Search webhooks. Receive a web request. Here I will type event name is BMP plus. Click on plus. This is Google Sheets. Add row spreadsheet. I am using two data. Degree Celsius and here hectopascal. Okay, create action. Finish. Go to webhooks icon, documentation. Here just I will test. So I will type here event name is BMP. Here I will submit a random value 44 100. Click on test it. Event has been triggered. I will open my drive. IFTTT webhooks BMP. This is Google Sheet. Here you can see here is 44 degrees Celsius and 100 hectopascal. Okay, so here I will copy this API key and we will go to Arduino programming. I have already created Arduino program. This is Adafruit BMP library and this is IFTTT for ESP8266 library. This library for I2C LCD, and here I have to type event name BMP. I will paste here API key. I will type SSID name of my network and here I will type password. Okay. Here is some settings for BMP280 and this is temperature variable will store temperature of BMP280 and pressure variable will store pressure of BMP280. Here it will print command on LCD and it is print command on serial monitor. This is conversion integer to character because this client add function accept character value and here is 10-minute delay. After 10 minutes it will update. So I will compile and upload. Okay, you can see LCD is printed, temperature 32 degrees centigrade and pressure is 1004 hectopascal. So we will see in Google Sheet. Wow, but here is some mistake. This is Pascal, but here is written hectopascal. So I will changes in code. I will again upload. Okay, I will open Google Sheet. I will reload this. What's problem? I will reset the board once again. Wow. You can see here temperature is 32 degrees centigrade and pressure is 1005 hectopascal. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.